Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you move locations from Postmates and you want to go ahead and make it to your new location so that you can be recommended nearby restaurants. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to change locations on the Postmates app, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see your current address. You could actually click on this drop-down menu and let's actually go ahead and enter a different address here, such as this one here in Jersey. So once you set this address, you can choose the building type. So we're going to say that we select this as a home and then click on save and continue. Now, once you click on save and continue, the restaurants that are nearby this area are going to be recommended to you that are local. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your location on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.